Good morning, have a good day, have a good life. It's Enjoy Life. Update tayo ngayon, Tuesday, October 21. So, ito po yung mga tao. Yan. So, madami na pong tao ngayon dito sa beach front. I'm front of Station 2. So, a lot of people right now because the sunset comes out. See? A lot of I guess international people. And that's so clean. The beach is clean now. And no more habagat season. We have guests here. Look, the people is there. It's so crowd. Look at that. And the end of the till the station 3, like that. So there's a lot of crowd now because the sunset is out now. This comes out also. Look, the sunset right now, October 21. And also they enjoying the moment. See, the moment is here, enjoying the view. That's the update for today's video. Have a good night and enjoy. Don't forget to smile. Woo-hoo.